Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So today in this particular video I am going to discuss some fundamental questions related to machine learning, which is basically beginners level quiz questions. Okay, but this you must know. Okay, at least this type of questions can be asked in the MCQ round or first round of artificial intelligence related jobs. Okay, so let's start with our first question. Supervised learning deals with unlabeled data while unsupervised learning deals with labeled data. True or false? Pause my video, try to think about the correct answer. Here I am explaining. Okay, so no doubt the correct answer is false, because supervised learning deals with labeled data, unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data, right? Okay, coming to the next question. Which of the following is not true about machine learning? Option A, machine learning was inspired by the learning process of human being. Option B, machine learning models iteratively learn from data and allow computers to find the hidden insights or hidden patterns. Okay. Option 3, machine learning models helps us in tasks such as object recognition, summarization and recommendation. Option D, machine learning gives computers the ability to make decisions by writing down rules and methods and being explicitly programmed. Okay, pause my video, try to think about the correct answer. Here I am explaining. Okay, so see, no doubt the correct answer is option D, because this is false. We know that in machine learning we no need to specify explicitly that what the output should be for a particular input. The machine will basically learn from the training data and it will apply that knowledge for test data, and it will do it by itself. Okay, no explicit programming is involved there, right? So correct answer is this one. This fourth option is wrong, so this is the correct answer. Okay, coming to the next question, which is multiple choice question. Okay, multiple options might be correct. Okay, so the question is, which of the following groups are not machine learning techniques? Option A, classification and clustering. Option B, NumPy, SciPy, scikit-learn. Option C, anomaly detection and recommendation system. Pause my video, try to think about the correct answer. Here I am explaining. See, NumPy, SciPy, scikit-learn, all these are basically Python libraries to implement the machine learning algorithms. It is not machine learning technique. Classification, clustering, anomaly detection, okay, especially using SVM, okay, or recommendation system, all these are machine learning techniques. Okay, so first option is a machine learning technique, yes. Second, last one is also machine learning technique, yes. So only and correct answer is option B. Although this is multiple choice, multiple correct option possible type question, but here actually only single option is correct. Okay, coming to the next question. The regression technique in machine learning is a group of algorithm that is used for option A, predicting a continuous value, for example predicting the price of house based on certain characteristics. Okay, option B, prediction of class or category of a case, for example a sale is benign or malignant, or a customer is will churn or not. Okay, and option C, finding items or events that are often co-occur, for example grocery items that are usually brought together by a customer. Okay, which one among all these three different use cases are regression technique? That is the question. Pause my video, try to think about the correct answer. Here I am telling. No doubt the correct answer is option A. Regression means outcome should be continuous value. Okay, and regression model basically predicts the continuous value based on different input features. Coming to the last question of our today's discussion, when comparing supervised with unsupervised learning, in this sentence whether this is true or false. In contrast to supervised learning, unsupervised learning has more models and more evaluation methods that can be used in order to ensure the outcome of the model is accurate. Okay, option A false, option B true. Pause my video, try to think about the correct answer. Here I am explaining. Okay, so no doubt the correct answer is false. Why? See, in unsupervised learning, actually there is not exact technique that we can say that this is the correct model, okay, or the accuracy of the model is high. Okay, we only check whether cluster has formed properly or not. Okay, but in supervised learning, using true positive, false positive, true negative, false negative measurements, we can conclude that how much well our model is. Okay, so basically, and precision, recall, accuracy, F1 score, different parameters are there to evaluate. Okay, right? And obviously you can understand supervised learning has more models than unsupervised. Unsupervised has very less amount. You can just count k-means, mean shift clustering, DB scan, hierarchical clustering, or HDB scan, like that. Okay, these are most popular ones. Although some more are there, but supervised has vast use cases. Okay, you can basically stack different supervised learning algorithms and make a new supervised learning algorithm. Bagging, boosting, different possible combination of simple machine learning algorithm. You do create bagging or boosting techniques. Okay, you can go ahead. Okay, so there are lot more permutation combination possible for supervised learning. Okay, so supervised learning has more models and more evaluation metrics than unsupervised one. But here in this particular statement, they are saying that unsupervised has more. So this is false. So correct option is false. That is option A. So this is the 5 questions as primary quiz questions you can consider. In my upcoming videos, I'll be discussing the questions which will be harder than this one. Okay, but I hope you have enjoyed this. This is all for this video. Thank you.